I wish. Okay. All right. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
This is my project, Meta Beanie. But before I get into that, I want to talk about myself a little bit. My name is Javier Vargas. I was a coding instructor. I'm a full-stack engineer, currently enrolled in FAU. I am a student of Boca Code. I'm 20, and I'm 5'7", 5'6" on Tinder. So, my problem. The numbers on this chart basically tell me that everyone in this room has touched a video game one time, at the very least. So, basically in that sense, you want to be the best at playing that certain game. So that's where my application comes in, Meta Beanie, which is, in sense, a meta is a tip or trick to playing a game. So let's say the sword or stick kind of example. Let's say there's a sword and a stick. Obviously, you want to choose the sword over the stick. But here, the stranger that I've never met in my life finds out that the stick is actually better than the sword. Well, he'll use my application, submit, post that, oh, the stick is actually better. I'll see that, and I'll know I'm never going to touch the sword again. So let's go with a quick demo real quickly. So what's populated, those buttons right there, mean that there are current metas that have been posted for them. But for right now, I want to establish a new meta. So for a game that hasn't been created, I'll use Max as an example. He's told me he loves this game.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. All right.
Wait a minute. Water.
Don't hate on my life. Barbie Dream House, bro.
Oh, yeah.
All right. That's a good meta.
Yeah.
And now that he posted that there, it populates right there. And that means now if I go and click that, it'll only show anything related to that game. So you see his is right there. Now I can actually post a new one that relates to that game as well. So let's say, and I'll say, the worst, and I'll say it as a bad meta. And as you see, it is signified with a red coloring, while Max is signified with a green coloring. Now I want to retract that statement. I can just go ahead and delete that. Just to show you, here's another one from Super Mario Bros. And that is a basic gist of my application. I'm using a MERN stack, which means that it's sitting on top a Mongo database. The reason why I chose Mongo is because I wanted to take advantage of its advanced querying. And I'm using a RESTful API, which is Node and Express, and a front end of React.js, all deployed on GCP. In the future, I intend on adding authentication, so either Google Auth or JWT, JSON Web Token. Some form of self-content moderation, which I'm not going to sift through all those posts and be a little hall monitor to see if someone says a potty word. And I want mobile responsiveness, and this is where the advanced querying comes in. I want to add a search or a sort functionality. Thank you, everyone. That QR links to my Boca Code candidate page. That's basically it.